नमस्कार, आपका वंदे मातृभूमि में एक बार फिर स्वागत है। आई एम अलीजा with news headlines of today. Iran deploys thousands of strategic drones amid Trump's threat that a US attack could happen anytime. The US has previously deployed its Abraham carrier strike group to the Middle East. Several guided missile destroyers have also been deployed with it. The Board of Peace backfired. The Board of Peace formed by President Donald Trump is facing controversy and diplomatic setbacks in its early days. Trump's new initiative was originally intended to monitor the Gaza ceasefire plan. Experts believe that this is a direct attempt to eliminate the influence of the United Nations Security Council and completely bypass it. The International Monetary Fund, that is the IMF, has described the India-European Union's free trade agreement as a positive development, noting that it reflects the country's efforts to deepen economic integration amid rising global tensions and uncertainties. Trump claims Putin agreed to halt strikes on Ukraine's energy infrastructure for 1 week after he issued a personal appeal to the Russian leader, but no ceasefire has been confirmed by Moscow yet. UN chief cites India-EU trade agreement as he underlines need to support multipolarity. He added, if we want a stable world, if we want a world in which peace can be sustained, in which development can be generalized, and in which our values will be prevailed, we need to support multipolarity. KPK Assembly adopts resolution rejecting Pakistan's government decision to join Trump's Board of Peace. Menstrual health is a fundamental right under Article 21, the Supreme Court said today. The Supreme Court directed all states and union territories to ensure girl students in private and government schools are provided biodegradable sanitary pads free of cost to adolescent girls, as it is under Article 21, a fundamental right. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, that is the HAL, and Russia's United Aircraft Corporation have signed a deal for cooperation in the production of Superjet SG-100 commercial aircraft in the country. NCD functionaries moved swiftly to fill a political vacuum left by Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's death since a plane crash, urging his wife and Rajya Sabha MP Sunetra Pawar to return to state politics and take charge of the party, possibly as the Deputy Chief Minister. There is a low risk of Nipah virus spreading from India, the WHO said on Friday, adding that it does not recommend traveling to South Asia. 2 cases have been reported in West Bengal. T20 World Cup participation, utter nonsense. Irfan Pathan slams Pakistan. He says supporting Bangladesh is okay, but not at the cost of Pakistani cricket. Ravi Shastri, Kevin Peterson backs Abhishek Sharma to dominate T20 World Cup. Shastri says, if he takes off, India takes off. India versus New Zealand, 4th T20 2026. Shivam Dube's fiery knock in vain as India loses to New Zealand in the 4th game. Mardani 3 movie review, Rani Mukherjee returns, but familiarity dulls the impact. Thank you for watching Vande Matrabhumi. I was Aliza.